cannot ignore the benefit of honeybees. Honeybees are incredibly important for ecosystem and provide many benefits. These honeybees produce honey which is considered to be very beneficial. Honeybees produce honey which is not only delicious natural sweeteners but also has numerous benefits. Honey is used in a variety of products and it's a source of income for beekeepers. Honeybees work in a manner of division of labor, such as role of queen is to lay egg and drone bees exist mainly for mating with virgin queens. Worker bees perform variety of work according to their age. Young bees are caring, also called nurse bees. White old bees are foragers collecting nectar